Welcome to Megan's World.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making my pancakes and my sausage. I really love sausage. And my bunny's here. I put a little heart on her cheek and her hair looks pretty, right? Let's put her onto the side. Let's get started. First, sugar, spoon. This. Now let's crack the egg. Open them out. Oh my goodness, this is really coming together. It really looks like dough. I'm so excited to make my pancake like Matilda. I forgot to say one thing. Matilda does her pancake really fast. I don't know how because we have to do it slow so I can get the stuff right. But the pancake is ready to bake, so let's put it on. Guys, I'm so excited. The first pancake is ready. I'm so excited to flip it. I hope I don't mess up. Oh my god, look how it looks! This is my first time making pancakes, and look how it turned out. Now let's wait for another side. Let's see if anyone is done. Now I'm gonna do my sausage. This is my sausage. I'm gonna put it on. My mom has cooked sausage, but I haven't. I'm gonna put like my filling so that I never cooked sausage or pancake, so I'm so excited how this is gonna turn out. It's done! This is how it looks like. I'm gonna eat with my bunny and I'm gonna put syrup. I'm so excited to eat this lunch. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!